Chetna Mishra from Mompreneurs India. We have been working very hard to bring the women into limelight and give them digital recognition and visibility to the work that these people are doing. And now that the she the people have recognized us, I'm just thrilled. Well, digital media happened in due course, but the reason for starting Mompreneurs India was there was no such support platform and an ecosystem for mothers in business is not really there in our city at least, and so that's why I thought that there is a need for me to create an ecosystem, a platform of support for mothers in business. So I started 2 years back, and now I have a good following of mothers in business, and we're supporting we have 3 chapters now, one in Mumbai, Ahmedabad and Bangalore. So we have mothers in these 3 cities who are doing business online through our platform. I think progress just means that you have moved one step ahead. So each day when you have achieved one goal that you have set for yourself during that day, all right? You may think big, you may have big goals, but if you've achieved something that you've planned for yourself on that day, that's progress, all right? So do one thing at a time, one step at a time, and you will logically progress. Dive in. Digital is the next thing, and if you are not, you may be tech savvy, but if you're not dived into the digital space, you will be lost. You will be left behind. Explore, dive in, experiment, explore, and just get your business online. Yeah, that's the message from me. Oh, this is a fantastic platform. I think we were waiting for something like this, to come and help us. And now that She the People is here, I think it's going to be much easier, to get our videos to the people and get the message to the world. So it's a great beginning.